The grapes are flowing steadily. Looks like a good harvest this year.
The production process is running smoothly.
The Tuscan vineyards are truly magnificent.
The destemmer is working perfectly. No issues detected.
The destemming process is separating the grape.
The fermentation is vigorous, just as expected.
This sample shows promising results. The color is deep and vibrant. Adding the yeast to begin the fermentation process. Stir it well for even distribution.
The wine is now being transferred to a clean tank.
The wine is now ready for filtration.
This membrane is completely saturated. We can't push any more product through this lot.
Okay, I'm logging the replacement date.
The pH came in at 3.42 and the titratable acidity is
6.1 grams per liter. Perfect, that's within the target range. Log it.
The aging process is critical for developing the wine's complex flavors.
Humidity control is essential in these cellars to prevent excessive evaporation.
This vintage is maturing beautifully. The aroma is rich and complex.
This barrel is almost full. The aroma is excellent. This wine has a delightful bouquet. I detect notes of dark berries and a hint of vanilla.
The chromatography shows a perfect match now. Yes, the color density is finally within the acceptable range.
The wine is now being transferred to the bottling line. All systems are green.
The bottles are being sterilized efficiently. We're ready for filling.
The robots are swiftly loading the bottles onto the conveyor belt. The bottles are being filled with precision. No spills or waste. The quality control sensor is checking each bottle for any defects. The corks are being inserted securely. Every bottle is perfectly sealed. The caps are being applied quickly and evenly.
The team is working efficiently to apply the foil caps.
We need to load these bottles into crates carefully.
Wrapping the bottles carefully to ensure they are protected during transit.
This pallet is ready for storage. Make sure it's placed in the correct bay.
All units scanned and verified. We're ready for transport.
Careful with that last pallet. Make sure it's secured for transit.
Maintaining precise temperature and humidity ensures optimal aging.
Confirming the batch numbers before dispatch. Everything is accurate.
Heads up, coming through.
All right, bring it back here.
The wastewater treatment process is fully operational, ensuring environmental compliance.
The pomace is being efficiently removed. We're ready for the next batch.
The pressure is holding steady now, right at the target.
Good. I just tightened the manifold connection here.
Thorough cleaning is essential after every production run.
The UV sterilization process is crucial for product safety. All data points are stable. We can proceed with the next step.
The trucks are lined up and ready for dispatch.
The second batch of grapes is now being processed.
The grape must is flowing into multiple fermentation tanks now.
The tanks are holding temperature well. The cooling system is performing optimally.
The sample analysis is complete. The results confirm our expectations.
All the parameters are within the acceptable range.
The bottling line is working at full capacity.
The blending process is active. The flow rate is optimal. The temperature is exactly where we want it, recording 4.5 degrees Celsius for this batch.
Got it. Looks consistent with the last batch. The transfer process is smooth. No issues with the hoses.
The automated blending system is now perfectly stable. The ratio is ideal.
The void volume integration looks perfect.
The peak separation confirms our hypothesis.
The analysis is progressing well. We're getting consistent data.
The simulation data confirms the bottle design improvements.
The grapes are ready for processing. We need to maintain a steady flow.
The bottling robots are calibrated and working flawlessly. Each cork is inspected for quality and integrity.
The corks are soaking in wine to prepare them for sealing. The automated corking system is highly efficient.
White wine is now being bottled. It's a faster process.
The heat tunnel is perfectly sealing the caps.
The chilling process is complete. The bottles are ready for labeling.
Each bottle is now receiving its unique batch number, ensuring full traceability.
The boxes are being sealed automatically, ready for stacking and storage.
Loading these boxes manual, making sure they are securely stacked.
The automatic wrapping machine is securing the pallets for shipment.
Moving these pallets to the loading area. Ensuring efficiency.
The drones are conducting inventory checks. Precision is key.
Okay, stack that one on the left side. Got it. How many left on this pallet?
The boxes are moving smoothly along the conveyor. Everything is packaged securely.
The truck is fully loaded and ready to go.
The bottle sensor has detected a fault. Production line stopped.
It jammed right here, wouldn't stop.
All right, I see the error on the panel. We need to clear these bottles carefully.
It's definitely the optical sensor causing the backup. Rerouting the sequence now. Try valve 3.
And we are clear. All systems clear. Resuming production now. The residual sugar levels are slightly elevated here.
Yes, but the volatile acidity is stable across the board.
The wine is flowing from multiple tanks, maintaining consistent pressure. Another batch of grapes has arrived for processing. Maintenance check on the press, keeping it running smoothly.
Final checks on the sample. The color and clarity are excellent.
The fermentation is active and generating heat.
Monitoring the blending ratio. It's crucial for consistency.
The wine is flowing from the blending tank.
The automatic blending process is completed. The ratio is now stable.
All data points are consistent.
We are on track. Fermentation is in full swing. We are monitoring it closely. Density is reading 1.095 at 20 degrees Celsius.
Got it. Looks consistent with the last batch.
The tanks are filling up with the new batch of wine.
The fermentation is active. We are closely monitoring the process.
Checking the barrels for any leaks, we need to ensure a perfect seal.
The truck is fully loaded and ready to go.
A cracked bottle detected. The robot removed it from the line.
Adjusting the guides to ensure smooth bottle flow. Precision is important.
Applying lubricant to the conveyor chain ensures smooth operation.
The tannins have softened beautifully. It is ready.
I agree. The finish is exceptionally smooth.